Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to pass contact property values with hidden form fields in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools and features. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with various options listed. From this menu, click on Marketing. This will expand to show you additional marketing-related tools and features. From the expanded options, click on Forms. This will take you to the Forms Management area where you can view, create, and edit all your HubSpot forms. Now you should see a list of all your existing forms displayed on the screen. Find the specific form where you want to add the hidden field functionality. Hover your mouse over that form and you'll notice an Edit option appears. Click on Edit to open the form builder. This is where you'll be able to modify the form's structure and customize how it collects information from your contacts. Once the form editor loads, you'll see all the fields that are currently part of your form. Click on the specific field that you want to convert into a hidden field. This could be any field where you want to automatically pass contact property values without the visitor seeing or manually filling it in. After clicking on the field settings panel will appear on the left side of your screen. In this left panel, look for the section labeled Label. You'll see different label options presented as radio buttons. Click on the radio button next to the label option that best fits your needs. This determines how the field is identified internally within your form structure, even though visitors won't see it once it's hidden. Next, and this is the crucial step, find the toggle button labeled Hidden Field. Click this toggle to turn it on. By enabling this option, you're telling HubSpot to hide this field from visitors while still allowing it to collect and pass contact property values automatically in the background. This is particularly useful when you want to track where form submissions are coming from or pre-fill information based on existing contact data. After you've enabled the hidden field option and configured everything the way you want it, look toward the top of the screen and click Save. This will apply all your changes and update the form with the new hidden field functionality. Give it a moment to save all your modifications. And that's it. You've successfully set up a hidden form field in HubSpot that will pass contact property values automatically. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.